Hi, assalamualaikum. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, for today, I will do a different video compared to previously, because now I will make a video about unboxing. So, what's the unboxing item that I will do? So, I just want to share to you guys that I will do unboxing about gold. Okay, it's like last week I purchased the gold at the Shopee, and then I just received it today, so I'm going to show you guys what actually I purchased it at Shopee. So this is the item that I just received it today. So basically, yeah, I open it now. Let me see it. So this is the gold ring that I buy. See how they wrap it so nicely, because this is as the precaution to save the item. So let me see it. I will do it one by one. See how they put it, how they wrap it so nicely. So at least I will not scared that my item will be damaged. So so many things. Okay, yeah, ta-da! You guys can see this. This is the gold ring, and this is the certificate. Let me see. Yeah, they give me the original certificate. Okay, this one is a gold 916. Okay, this one is a pure gold. If you go buy at the Shopee, you can trust this seller because they give you the certificate also. Yeah, because before I already purchased it with the same seller also, but I just didn't do the video. So now I'm so excited with this one. As you can see, this is a mask 916, mean it's a gold 916. So let me see. So pretty. Nah, ini I'll show it to you guys. I don't know you guys can see or not. See, yeah, so it's a bit blur, but the design I will show to you guys the picture in this video. So this one I buy it. My size is 11 and the gram is 0.83 gram, 0.83. So you can see it here, the gram. So the design that I choose, because I always like the love design, so I choose the love design also. So basically, see, I already have 2 rings. Now I will add one more rings to another finger. So let me see. See, you can see. Ta-da! Pretty, right? Yeah, as a girl, of course, we love gold so much, you know. So I just want to say that this gold, okay, this is a pure gold 916, and the cost is not that much. It's too cheap, because this gram also 0.83. Because now I can check that the 1 gram cost like 250 per gram. So the latest price for gold. So for this one I purchased it 0.83, okay, and the price is within 200 only, so it's very cheap. I really like it, and if you guys want to buy, you guys can check at the Shopee, because you can find it, and she is a trust seller, because I repeat this one already. I repeat for 3 times before I purchased the necklace and also 1 bracelet, and now I purchased 1 more rings, because I really like this design. Okay, and I really recommend this seller because how they wrap it so pretty. As you can see before, he wrap it with all the protection here with this one, and they give you a cute case also. Yeah, so that's all I just want to share with you guys. So if you guys really like to buy the gold, I advise you to buy it right now, okay, because I'm telling you that you guys can also find a cheap gold at the Shopee. So don't waste your time, your energy to go out at and go shopping at the shop. You also can just shopping at the Shopee and you can get this ring. Thank you guys. I hope that you guys understand what I'm trying to say. If you guys really like gold, you guys can go and buy it. Okay, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.